धन्यवाद. Sri J.B. Mathur Hisam, concern over negative impact of deep sea mineral exploration and mining along the Kerala coast.
Thank you, sir. I rise today to address a very grave issue, the survival of our fishing community, especially the fishermen of Kerala who are under serious threat. The central government has announced deep sea mining and tender process begun. So without even conducting an environment impact assessment, how can they move forward when the experts have seriously said the devastating consequences of this? A large part of Kollam, Alappuzha and other places, the coastal belt, India's richest fishing hub, is in this proposed mining area. Studies from University of Kerala and Cochin Fisheries University clearly warn that sand mining will disrupt fish breeding, destroy coral reefs and destabilize marine ecosystems. 2/3 of the Kerala's soft corals are found here, which are essential for the biodiversity and fisheries productivity. Fishermen have been protesting for 3 long months. Instead of listening to fishermen, the government insists tender first, and then the company that wins the tender can do and will do the environment impact assessment. Sir, nemo judex in sua causa. No one can be a judge in his own cause. How can the very company that profits from mining assess its own environmental impact? First, there must be an independent environment impact assessment. Only if a green signal is received, the tender process should begin, not the other way around. The 2003 amendment to the Offshore Areas Mineral Development and Regulation Act now allows private companies to extract deep minerals from our coastal. This is not just about sand. It is about auctioning off our ocean to corporate interest. Deep sea mining releases toxic sediments, destroys marine life, and weakens our coastal defenses against tsunamis and cyclones. Environmentalists warn it could accelerate climate change by releasing stored carbon, and fishermen will be affected, sir. I urge the government to immediately stop the tender process and halt deep sea activities and first initiate environment impact study. The sea is not a commodity. It is the life and lifeline of our fishermen. And let me be clear, if the government plays with their lives, the government will be the first one to lose this battle, and we stand with them in this fight. The fishermen of Kerala have braved storms and adversity for generations. They will not back down now.
Dhanyawad. Sri Gola Babu Rao, concern over less budgetary allocation under the scheme of grant in aids to voluntary and other organizations working for scheduled castes run by